What's up, YouTube? It's my 2011 Silver Shimmer Kink launch. This bike is all stock parts, obviously, but most of them are Mission, which absolutely sucks. And just wanted to give you guys some info on the stock parts that come on this bike if you ever buy this bike. These right here are Kink Midtown bars. These are Mission grips, push-in bar ends, Mission stem. Let's see, we got a Mission brake lever, Mission brake cables, Alienation PBR rim, PBR plain black rim, same thing. Kenda tires, which suck. Kink Volte forks. Move over here. Also another Kenda tire. Back hub, cassette. Listen to how that sounds. Not too bad. Works pretty well. Valve caps. Kink seat. Traditional seat comes on mostly every Kink. Mission 3-piece cranks with Mission metal pedals. Normal custom chain. 25-tooth Kink regular traditional sprocket, Mission C-clamp. Well, that pretty much covers it. Alright, thank you, YouTube. Get this bike.